model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van ECOnetic. Tears OR repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 152575. MOT, 4 April 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCi. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine itself is brilliant, just needs the turbo replaced, worth spending the time to get this back to how it should be. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. First to see will take this off our hands. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, part service history, electric windows, nice set of Crewcab seats with a slide-out vault underneath, very handy piece of kit. Ideally wants a set of rear doors putting on it as well to tidy up. Probably not as bad as it looks, but definitely wants some attention.